I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, you guys? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? I know my face is looking ashy. I am filming a makeup video right after this, so yeah, that is why my face is all nice and clean and looking dry and ashy. But anyway, this video is about ColorCL. Y'all know I love ColorCL. ColorCL is life. They give me life. They are everything. They are very good with customer service. They're very affordable. This is about ColorCL. This is their crystal edition. Y'all know my last ones was bomb as hell, but this is the color edition, the crystal edition. This is coming out March 8th, and I'm gonna let you guys know a little bit more information after I try on all of these, because we have a lot to get through, y'all. We got a lot to get through. Okay, whole box. Okay, so in the box they sent me some lens kits, and these came with the tweezers in the suction cup that I showed you in the previous clip to help me apply mine. But these are their animal cases. They look like this, and these are about $4 on their site. They also sent me some more solution for my lenses and my eyes, and they sent me 10 pairs of contact lenses. So I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to try them all on. I'm going to have the name as I try them on. These already in my eyes, just to let you know ahead of time, these are in the shade blue, B-L-U-E. That's it, just blue. They blue. Okay, so these are more on the subtle side. So if you're looking for more natural looking colors and not the bright vivid colors, then these will be the ones for you. They are very comfortable to wear. They do not burn my eyes. I could wear them all day. I could forget that I have them on, and I could go to sleep. I did it once. So yeah, I'm gonna have the prices and everything listed down below. You could also use my coupon code Sherry10 to save y'all some money off. I mean, they're already affordable, but to save y'all some more coins, Sherry10 is the code to use. So let's get this started with the try on haul. Okay y'all, don't mind my face. I'm just gonna show you guys how I put on my contact lenses. I want to show you something from ColorCL that they have in their collections, and it is this kit right here. And this kit, it has almost like a tweezer thing, and they have a little suction cup thing, and this is supposed to help you put it in your eyes if you're scared to touch your eyes, which I know some people are, but it looks like that. And then I have this Q-tip thing which helps you pick it up. Well, not Q-tip, it's like tweezers. You can pick up your contact lenses with it. Looks like that. So I'm just going to show you guys how I put on my contacts, and then we are going to get forward with the try on video. I already have one eye on, or one lens in, and these are in the shade blue, so for future reference. Okay, so these are blue, so I'm going to go and put on the other one. So it is that simple. You just pick it up with the tweezer thing, you place it on the suction cup thingy. I don't know what to call them, they don't have names. So put on the suction cup thingy, and then I just apply it to my eyes. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. But anyway, let's get into the rest of these try-ons so you can see what else contact lenses that they have in this crystal collection.
It's getting serious on this track, fam.
Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me zoom out, sorry. I hope you guys enjoyed my try on for the ColorCL Crystal Edition. I'm going to tell you a little bit of information, then I'm going to tell you what I feel, because I feel like y'all guys should know this stuff. But anyway, let me show you guys the packaging. This is the packaging. As y'all seen in previous clips, this is the packaging. And they would come in this kind of container right here. Okay, so these will be launching March 8th, 2019. This is the ColorCL Crystal Edition. They are 6 basic designs: brown, hazel, blue, green, light gray, and dark gray, and 4 colors of the Iris series, which was the Iris Hazels, Iris Khaki, Iris Blue, and Iris Green. These are basically based on the popular colors of the ColorCL collection, but the color contains more transparency, so it is more naturally blended to the eyes, which I explained to you guys earlier in the first clip. The Iris series, the design is based on a real pattern of the pupil, and the edge is blended so that it is naturally mixed with the limbo ring of the eye. And then I will tell you guys the prices. The prices for these March 8th, the price will be they're normally $18 during the 2 weeks from launching. 2 weeks from launching, the dates will be here, right here, which is March 8th through March 22nd, and they will be $14.40. And you can also use my code so you can get some money off. And replacement, these are for 6 months. So after 6 months, as y'all know, you have to throw them away and get new ones. And they can come in prescription and they can come non-prescription. Mine are non-prescription. And yeah, that is it. That is all. Yeah, that is it. That is all. Make sure y'all check out their lashes, because they still have the lashes going on with the $4 and $3 and $5, and their glue for $4. Make sure y'all also buy y'all an extra one of these. This is $4. Make sure you, this is eye crack, y'all, eye crack. But I do want to tell you guys something, because when I got the package, I was trying out the contact lenses already, just so I can know if they're comfortable to wear, how long can I wear them for, are they drying to the eyes, you know, testing them out for you guys so I can tell you guys how they are on a daily basis. So I have been wearing them on a daily basis, but I will tell you guys that the 3 of them that I could not show on the video dried out on me. I'm going to show y'all. This one is the brown ones. Well, it's softened up now. Well, that's a bummer. Well, it's softened up, but it was hard. It had dried up. I don't know if it's because I didn't close it tightly, but 4 pairs of them did dry up. So I will suggest you guys make sure y'all are tightly closing y'all containers so the liquid won't drip out or dry out your contact lenses, and make sure they are in a nice comfortable temperature so for storage, okay? Because my iris blues dried out, my iris greens dried out, and my hazel ones dried out. Okay, just so you guys know, I want to make sure everything is out there so you guys know. So make sure y'all close y'all stuff nice and tightly. And I think, let me see if there is a degree in here. I don't see the degrees on here, but I will have all the information down below for you guys, temperature wise and storage wise. Make sure y'all are closing y'all containers and all of that good stuff. But these are the dark grays that I have in my eyes, and they're cute, they're subtle, they're cute. These are subtle and they are cute. Subtle, I'm telling you, subtle. Don't expect wham bam, like bitch I'm here, because these will not be those for you. These are more for like beginners who want to try out contacts but don't want people to know they have contacts on. So these are very transparent. You can't really see them on some of them. I know y'all seen that. It was like, aren't those your eyes? But yeah, I want you guys to know that these are as naturally as they can possibly get. Me per se, I'm a fan of some of them, but not all of them, because as you know, I like boom, bam, like I got contacts on. Like I want people to know I have contacts on. So some of these were a hit and miss for me, but I still like them because they're comfortable, they're not drying, I can wear them all day, and they're affordable, so why not? So make sure y'all get y'all hands on these. If y'all are new to my channel, hey boo hey, I see you. Welcome to my channel. Yes. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the hashtag Glam Dog Gang. Okay. And make sure y'all also tap that notification bell right next to it. Tap, tap, tap. Make sure y'all get notified when I upload another video. Make sure y'all hashtag Glam Dog Gang down in the description box, and let me know which contacts you thought looked best on me, which I probably already know, but let me know anyway down in the description box. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias, because my pictures will be uploaded on my Instagram. So make sure y'all follow me at Sherry_Chapman on Instagram. Okay. But anyway, I love y'all, but I got to go. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, glam dolls.